Hi there, check out the Classic Garage Wall Organizer, a 15-pack system that carries up to 675 pounds, perfect for keeping your garage neat and tools easily accessible. This wall-mounted design maximizes space efficiency by allowing you to store all your tools neatly and save time searching for them. The innovative design includes double upper and lower hooks with wider spacing for versatile hanging needs, plus 9 hooks and 3 rails for organizing various items. Made from high-quality carbon steel with a double powder coating, it resists rust while the rubber-covered hooks prevent tools from slipping. Installation is simple, making it ideal for DIY enthusiasts wanting to upgrade their garage or shed quickly. Beyond garage tools, this sturdy rack is perfect for garden tools, brooms, hoses, and even sports gear like hockey sticks or ski equipment. Transform your cluttered space into a clean, organized area with this heavy-duty, multifunctional storage solution. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.